Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Problematical. We were discussing exercises of Chapter 2 Polynomials of Class 9th Maths NCERT. Today we'll start with exercise 2.3. The first question states that find the remainder when P of a polynomial is given to you is divided by some linear polynomials. So we'll make use of remainder theorem here. We won't actually divide your given polynomial by x plus 1 using actual division method. Instead, we'll equate x plus 1 with 0, get the value of x, place that value of x in this polynomial, see whatever value we get, whatever value we have is your remainder. For the first part, actually for all the parts in common, let p of x is equals to x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. The first part, g of x is equals to x plus 1. You'll have to equate it with 0. So x becomes equals to minus 1. P of minus 1 is equals to r of x is equals to remainder, which is equals to minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. This is minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. These two get cancelled, these two get cancelled, you're left with 0. P of minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, remainder is equals to 0. Next, in the second part, the g of x is equals to x minus 1 upon 2. X minus 1 upon 2. The p of x remains same. X cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. G of x, p of x is divided by g of x. You have to get r of x remainder. The r of x can be obtained if you equate g of x with 0. If x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0, implies x is equals to 1 by 2. Now, p of 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. This is 1 by 8 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1. Now you should take LCM for all these. Taking 8 as an LCM, 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8. I hope everyone knows how to calculate LCM. So 6 plus 12, 18. 18 plus 8, 26 plus 1, 27 upon 8. The remainder is 27 upon 8. Next, the g of x in the third case is x. So equating it with 0, your x becomes equals to 0. At p of 0 can be calculated as 0 cubed plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1, which is equals to 1, which is your remainder. The fourth value, g of x is equals to x plus pi. So by equating this with 0, you get x plus pi is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus pi. Therefore, P of minus pi will be equals to minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. This is equals to minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Now you cannot solve this any further, so this would be your remainder. Next, the fifth is g of x is equals to 5 plus 2x. Here, equating it with 0, you get x is equals to minus 5 upon 2. Therefore, p of minus 5 upon 2 will be equals to minus 5 upon 2 whole cube. Your expression is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 plus 3 times minus 5 upon 2 whole square plus 3 times minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. This is equals to 5 into 5, 25 into 5, 125. This is minus of 125 upon 8 plus 5 into 5, 25 into 3, 75 upon 2 minus 15 upon 2 plus 1. Now, taking LCM, we have 8 as the LCM. This is 2 square, it should be 4. We are left with minus 125. 75 into 2, 150. Minus 15 into 4, 60 plus 1. Minus 125 plus 150. We are left with 25 positive. Minus 60 plus 1. Instead, we'll calculate this first, later on we'll add 1. This is 25 minus 60, which is 35, minus negative plus 1 divided by 8, which is equals to minus 34 divided by 8. Next. Now we've calculated all 5 parts. Then the next question is, find the remainder when this is divided by x minus a. We'll again use remainder theorem. Let e of x is equals to x cube plus ax square plus 6x minus a. G of x is equals to x minus a. Given that these both are also given, but the notations are assumed, p of x and g of x being the relations. Given that p of x is divided by x, g of x. To find r of x equivalent to remainder. What does this mean? Your p of x given and you are dividing it by x minus a. You have to equate g of x with 0. X is equals to a. If this is the case, then p of a will be equals to a cube plus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. This is a cube plus a cube plus 6a minus a, which means plus 5a. In your given question, this is minus 8x squared. So here it is minus ax square minus x square minus x cube. We're left with 5a. This is the remainder. And we divide p of x by g of x. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cubed plus 7x. So let p of x is equals to 3x cubed plus 7x. And g of x is equals to 7 plus 3x. Now something is factor of the other if your remainder is 0. By using remainder theorem, we'll calculate the remainder first. So g of x is to be equated with 0. So your x becomes minus 7 upon 3. Calculate p of minus 7 upon 3 to get the remainder. 3 into minus 7 upon 3 whole cube plus 7x. This is equals to 3 into 7 cube, 343. It is negative, so there's a negative sign. Upon 3 cube is 3 into 3 square, 9. 3 gets cancelled. Plus 7x, which is equals to minus 343 upon 9. Sorry, x value will also be substituted. So 7 into minus 7 upon 3. Substituted in the previous step. Minus 7.3. So this plus sign becomes equals to negative. You have 49 upon 3. What you can do, if you solve this, you will end up with minus 490 upon 9. This value is not equals to 0. Hence, therefore you can write 7 plus this is equals to remainder. Since remainder is not equals to 0, therefore 7 plus 3x is not the factor of 3x cubed plus 7x. That concludes this exercise. Thank you.